The weather warmed up, so we took him outside. Now this little guy here, he has what they call spade legs, where his legs go all the way out. First few days he was very active, and he's slowing down quite a bit now, not moving around. I started a video with this little guy. We put splints on his leg and had a tiny rubber band to hold him together so the legs would support him, but it didn't work. He stopped eating. We tried hand feeding him. His legs would just spread out, and I don't know if there was anything else wrong with him. The other chicks grew pretty quickly, and his growth seemed to be stunted. Unfortunately, this little guy didn't make it, so I didn't upload the other video. But the other two, they're doing fine. You can see them back there in the far end of the chicken run. They get along with the rest of the flock, but they are standoffish. And it's a funny thing, when I let the other chickens out to free range, they always stay behind. They never come out of the run. Now with the hawks we have flying around all the time, they might be smarter than the other ones. But it's time now to let them out, let them do their free range.
See anything flying around. Okay, you can come out. You don't have to sneak out. Come on. Tank isn't with me. Tank isn't with me. Not that you guys care anyway. Yeah, I hear you.
Last night was between 12 and 17 degrees. We had a week of freezing weather. You can see it. You might be able to see that everything in here is frozen. Let's see, we have 2 eggs. These are going to go into the incubator. I'm going to try to start another cycle and get a couple of laying hens for this coming season. But I do that deep where you turn everything over and you add some leaves, mulch, whatever you have. You can't do it with this frozen ground. And they're anxious, they're looking to go. Well, that's a wrap. Enjoyed this video? Let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Post your comments down below, and until next time, stay well.